We're lost in the woods, and I'm cold, and I want to go home.
Home is that way.
Home is that way.
Sure. I'm going this way.
All right, then. I'm going home. I'm not waiting for you. Two people start at the same point and walk two different directions. Person 1 walks due east at a rate of 12 miles an hour and is represented by X. And person 2 walks due north at a rate of 8 miles an hour and is represented by Y. We're trying to find the rate in which the distance between them is changing 3 hours after they depart. You can use the Pythagorean theorem to start, since we're solving for z, the hypotenuse. X squared plus y squared equals z squared. Since we're solving for 3 hours after they leave, you multiply the rate in which they're moving by 3 and plug them in for x and y. You solve for z and get the square root of 1,872, which is approximately 43.27. And then you take the derivative of the Pythagorean theorem, you get 2z times dz over dt equals 2x times dx over dt plus 2y times dy over dt. Then for z, you plug in z, x, and y. You plug in the rates of changes for x and y for the dx over dt and dy over dt. You simplify to get 86.53 times dz over dt equals 1,248. You divide each side by 86.53, and you find that dz over dt is equal to 14.42 miles an hour, meaning the distance between them 3 hours after they depart is changing at a rate of 14.42 miles an hour.
Do you know why parallel lines have to use dating apps?
Why?
Because if they don't, they'll never meet.